Hey, Tamara here, and welcome to my channel and this video. So, couple of questions for you. Do you like making instant cash? And I mean up to $300 per sale, which you get paid instantly. And number two, can you copy and paste social media ads like on Facebook and work maybe 1 hour a day? If the answer is yes, then I've got a treat in store for you today. Okay, so this program is called Infinity Processing System, and I'm going to take you to the back office, show you all the training you're going to get, as well as all the done for you social media ads, done for you emails. I'm going to show you my income proof, as well as the income proof from a Facebook group with over 8,000 members that are making those instant commissions every day. So you can earn $50, $150, and $300 instant commission. I'm going to break it all down for you, how to set it up, how to join, my bonuses for Infinity Processing System, and anything else I think that's going to help you make money online. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so here we go. So when you click the link below, this is the landing page that I made myself. So you just pop in your email and then you're going to get instant access right away, which will take you to this page. So I will show you my own income proof that I've made from Infinity Processing System, and I will show you their Facebook group that has over 8,000 members and all the income proof from, a lot of the members in there too. But I wanted to, so these are like, again, screenshots I grabbed from the Facebook, like it's killing it, man. But, lots and lots of people, even brand new people, beginners, are making money with this. It's because it's instant. So if you get the starter bonus, you're going to get this content marketing video course. And if you got the Elite package, then I'll just give you you're going to get both of these, the paid traffic video course, as well as the content marketing. And if you go, then you're going to get all three, and you're going to get this video, a big commissions boot camp. An extra bonus, you're all going to get free access to my affiliate marketing training course that has multiple income streams in there, as well as loads of free and paid traffic and lots of other great things. Okay. So all you have to do is then just click on here, get instant access, and that'll take you to this page over here. So this is the Infinity Processing website that you will get yourself, and you'll get to personalize it with your photo and also add your social media links. So what I did is I used Linktree, which is free. And then I have, different links to my social media. So people can get in touch with me if they have any questions. Same thing for you, okay? So how does Infinity Processing System work? It really is super easy, okay? Basically, step one is get started. Then you just copy and paste social media ads or posts, and then you get paid directly and you get 100% commissions. Okay. So just scroll down here. So these are the plans you can get. $50 is the starter, is the elite level, and $300 is the pro level. Now remember, these are one-time payments, although you do have to pay a $25 admin fee. That's it. That's just one time as well. So you'll have your own website like this. And I just did a video on how you can add your Stripe pay buttons, okay? And inside the program, she shows you how to do it with PayPal, okay? So I'll put that link below for how to connect the Stripe payments, okay? So starter level, basically you earn $50 instant commissions. So you're paying one time. So basically one sale, like you're even, and then two sales, because you have to pay the 20, so you'll be $25 in profit after just two sales, okay? So you get 30 marketing ads, 20 bonus image ads, you get courses on mindset, art of persuasion, influence, 7-day action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups that you can post these, Craigslist marketing strategy, and Facebook support group. And then the elite level, now you can make $50 and $150 commissions. You're going to go from 30 to 100 pre-written ads and fringe ads. You're going to get double the Facebook groups. You're also going to get Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, and how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. All right, now we move up to Pro, which is what I got, which I'd recommend because that means you can earn from all 3 levels. Okay, and now 200 pre-written ads, 60 pages, 100 Facebook groups, some more training, plus you're going to get, there's actually 45 email follow-ups. So what I did is I just picked out the best I liked and just copy and paste it and put in my email autoresponder. So that's sweet because I hate writing emails. You're also going to get TikTok marketing, VIP training, live chat. Yes, some more live trainings. And you're going to get a hotel voucher to over, I don't know, 100 destinations. And then also restaurant coupon worth $200 throughout, I think, North America for the restaurants. Okay, so you get all of that with Pro. And I want to just point out, like I said, these are just one-time payments to join Infinity Processing System. But say that you're on the starter level and you had someone join under you, but they went Pro. Well, you'll get 50 as a starter, but the 250, if you join under me or anyone that has the Pro level, I will get the 250. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. If you can afford it, definitely go for this, which is good because, again, someone joins under you on the elite level, well, they'll get 150, but you'll get 150 as well. So definitely worth it to go Pro. Okay, and then this is just showing that, you know, how much you could possibly make. Obviously, no income is guaranteed. It's all about how much effort you're going to put into it. This is your own online business. Okay. If you were to sell, you know, one time, like one a day, then that's going to add up to $1,400 a month and obviously increase the more you sell. And then the same thing. So that goes up from $1,400 to $4,200. That's just one a day. To Pro, well, boom, $8,400 for one a day, right? 10 a day, that's going to be like $84,000 a month. Okay, so inside, so this is it. And like I said, because I am Pro, I have access to everything, okay? So this is where you do the setup and you can join the Facebook groups. This shows you how to add the PayPal buttons. And like I said, I'll put a link to the video to how to set up your Stripe payment buttons. Okay, I went with Stripe. And then to join, regardless of what level you're on, this is where you have to click on to purchase, again, one time for your $25 website, okay? And then this is what you have to include, all of this, okay? I mean, and you can join as a starter level, and then, you know, you make 6 starter sales, well, then you can go Pro. Although you do have to pay a $15 one-time charge, but I think if you do it within 30 days, then that's free. Okay, still a bargain. And then this shows you about how to set up the link tree for your social media. These are just some of the possible hotel like holidays you can get. I mean, obviously it does not include flights, transportation. It is for your hotel. Okay, but there are lots and lots of options: UK, Hawaii, Argentina, many places in the States, Australia. So this. And then the restaurant, okay, and I think it's $200 restaurant voucher. Okay, and so this is where you access the pre-written ads that shows you how to upgrade or update your website, your 7-day action plan, how to post on ads for free, Facebook marketing, how to buy some paid traffic. So Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, automate, having your own sales funnel machine. Under step 2, this is where you're going to find, you can also get this to get your bonus exact. So if you want to get her funnel on here, and then basically, yeah, these are there. Like I said, there's more. There's about 45, I think now. So you can just literally copy and paste. And once they send you the link, like once they build your website and send you, that's your link that you want to do in your emails. So that is it. It's pretty easy. All right, so now to some income proof. Okay, so that's what I've been making so far. But with the IPS, which I only joined not too long ago, but then I got really, really sick for over a week. So I'm literally just getting back into the groove of things. So I made $350 so far. So basically, I'm in, you know, anything I make, well, I'm already $25 in profit, but anything else I make on top of that is pure profit. And what I like about it is because it literally is instant. It goes into my Stripe account. Someone pays, then that goes into my account. So I love it. Now we'll pop over to the Facebook group. So he's made $950 in 24 hours. You will see lots and lots of proof in here. Like, just check this out, $300, 12,632 days. So it is working. And I wanted to just show you that there is over 8,000 people in this Facebook group. There we go, 8.1. Okay. And these are just different income proof people sending in. So yeah, it definitely works. Okay. And who doesn't like instant cash? All right. So if you want to get my bonuses, if you basically want all of this, I will give it to you as well. Just reply to my email after you join Infinity Process System. And if you want to get a Builderall account, which is what I use for all my online marketing, which starts at $16.90 a month, I will give you my landing page, the bonuses, a bonus page just like this, but you can put your links in here to your website. So I'll even do that for you as a bonus too. Okay. Yeah. Click the link below. And of course, as always, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and even a like button would be great. So I can help on your affiliate marketing journey on how to make money online. All right. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Cheers.